Number 1. 1989 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $3,800, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1989 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide is a classic touring machine that delivers that unmistakable old-school Harley feel, powered by a dependable Evolution V-twin and built for long-distance comfort. With just over 12,700 miles showing, it presents as a well-kept rider that starts easily, runs strong, shifts smoothly, and stops as it should, making it a solid option for anyone looking to enjoy vintage touring. Cosmetically, it shows light wear consistent with its age, including minor paint chips and a small ding on the front fender, but nothing that detracts from its overall appeal. Rather than a showpiece, this is a bike you can ride and enjoy without hesitation. With a clean title in hand and a strong mechanical foundation, it stands out as a great value in the classic Harley touring market. Number 2. 1981 BMW R65 Cafe Racer, $6,750, Provo, Utah. This 1981 BMW R65 has been transformed from a long-stored barn find into a fully rebuilt custom cafe racer, blending German engineering with modern upgrades and handcrafted details. Powered by a 650 cubic centimeters boxer twin, the bike underwent a complete restoration. The frame was sandblasted and powder-coated, while internal components, wiring, and hardware were replaced using genuine BMW source parts. The build features premium upgrades, including Casso gauges, Moto Gadget lighting, Woodcraft handlebars, and progressive rear shocks, along with brand new Avon Roadrider tires. With its clean, minimalist design and fully refreshed mechanicals, this R65 offers both reliability and standout style. It's a unique, ready-to-ride custom that combines vintage character with modern performance. Number 3. 1970 Harley-Davidson Sportster Ironhead, $8,500, Larkspur, Colorado. This 1970 Harley-Davidson Sportster Ironhead is a freshly built custom that has been professionally assembled from the ground up, featuring a rebuilt engine along with fully redone wiring and plumbing. Equipped with an upgraded SNS carburetor and variable ignition system, it delivers strong, responsive performance, while maintaining the raw character that Ironheads are known for. With all new components throughout and careful testing miles already completed, the bike is dialed in and ready for the road with no reported issues. Over $10,000 has been invested into the build, making the asking price particularly compelling. Stored indoors and lightly used since completion, this is a clean, turnkey vintage Harley that blends reliability with classic style. Number 4. 1999 Royal Enfield, $4,850, Hutchinson, Kansas. This 1999 Royal Enfield captures the timeless look and feel of 1960s British motorcycles, offering classic styling with a simpler, more approachable riding experience. Featuring a kickstart setup and low mileage, it runs strong and presents in immaculate condition, making it a standout example of a retro-inspired machine. Its design closely mirrors vintage British bikes, making it difficult to distinguish from older models at a glance. For riders who appreciate classic aesthetics without the complexity of older restorations, this Enfield offers a compelling balance. With a clean title and excellent condition, it's a unique option for those seeking vintage charm with everyday usability. Number 5. 1975 Honda CB750, $2,500, Johnstown, Colorado. This 1975 Honda CB750 is a well-sorted example of one of the most influential motorcycles ever produced, known for its smooth inline-4 engine and reliable performance. It has received extensive maintenance and upgrades, including new tires, brakes, cables, ignition components, and freshly rebuilt and synchronized carburetors, ensuring it runs strong and consistently. The bike starts easily, typically within a few kicks, and has been kept in solid running condition, with attention to both mechanical reliability and ride quality. With its long list of new parts and proven platform, it offers excellent value as a ready-to-ride vintage machine. For enthusiasts seeking a dependable classic, this CB750 stands out as a practical and affordable choice. Number 6. 1964 BSA Lightning Chopper, $3,200, Lakewood, Colorado. This 1964 BSA Lightning Chopper is a true vintage custom, originally built in the 1970s and even earning multiple trophies during its time, giving it real period-correct credibility. Finished in a bold orange scheme, it features a range of custom editions accumulated over the years, along with extra parts included in the sale, making it an appealing package for enthusiasts of classic chopper culture. Mechanically, the bike kicks over easily and has already seen key updates, including rebuilt carburetors, a relined fuel tank, and new spark plugs. It will need the carburetors resynchronized to run at its best, but the foundation is clearly there. With a clean Colorado title and strong vintage presence, it offers both rideability and collector appeal at a very accessible price point. Number 7. 1976 Kawasaki KZ900B Ltd. $7,900, Durango, Colorado. This 1976 Kawasaki KZ900B Ltd. is a rare and highly desirable factory special edition, known for its limited production and distinctive styling compared to the standard KZ900. With just under 5,700 original miles, this example remains remarkably preserved and unmodified, making it especially attractive to collectors seeking originality. The bike includes a few tasteful additions, such as new mirrors, windshield, and saddlebags, while also coming with extra engine guards that have not yet been installed. Its low mileage and original condition set it apart in today's market, where many examples have been heavily altered. With a clean title and strong collector value, this LTD stands out as a premium vintage Japanese muscle bike. Number 8. 1975 Harley-Davidson FX Super Glide Shovelhead. $6,900, Montrose, Colorado. This 1975 Harley-Davidson FX Super Glide Shovelhead represents a classic era of Harley performance, combining big twin power with iconic styling. The bike retains its original Harley-Davidson identity and runs strong, making it a dependable rider that still carries authentic vintage character. It features period chrome dress-up components on the outer primary, cone, and rocker boxes, which show some wear but remain part of the bike's history. A removable backrest adds a touch of practicality for longer rides. Overall, it's a solid, honest shovelhead that prioritizes performance and originality over cosmetic perfection. Number 9. 1975 Honda CB250 Twin, $2,000, Pueblo, Colorado. This 1975 Honda CB250 Twin is a remarkably well-preserved small displacement classic, with just 2,511 original miles, making it a rare find in such condition. It has spent most of its life stored indoors, which is reflected in its clean fuel tank, intact seat, and overall excellent presentation for its age. The bike starts, runs, and rides well, offering a smooth and approachable experience that's ideal for casual riding or collectors of vintage Hondas. Its originality and low mileage give it strong long-term value potential. For those seeking a lightweight, reliable classic, this CB250 stands out as an affordable and increasingly collectible option. Great little purr. This thing runs great. Everything works. Number 10. 1968 Harley-Davidson Sportster Project. $6,000. Byers, Colorado. This 1968 Harley-Davidson Sportster Project sits on a Paco hardtail frame and features a mix of custom components that give it a distinctive chopper-style build. It's equipped with an S&S Super E carburetor, electronic ignition, a girder front end, and an oversized rear tire, all contributing to its aggressive and unique stance. The engine was rebuilt years ago but has seen very limited use since, meaning it will likely require some recommissioning before regular riding. As it stands, this is still a project bike with strong potential for customization or completion. For builders looking for a solid vintage Harley platform, it offers a compelling starting point with key upgrades already in place. Number 11. 1971 Bultaco Astro 250 Flat Tracker, $3,200, Sandy, Utah. This 1971 Bultaco Astro 250 has been heavily modified into a serious flat track style machine, combining vintage Spanish roots with high-performance modern upgrades. At its core is a liquid-cooled TM Racing 2-stroke engine paired with a 5-speed transmission, delivering strong and responsive power far beyond the original setup. The build includes premium components such as a Keihin 34mm carburetor, Kokusen Denki ignition, Brembo rear disc brake, and Akron alloy rims, along with an FMF gnarly expansion chamber and silencer. With its race-inspired setup and clean Utah title, this is a unique and aggressive custom that stands out as both a performance machine and collector piece. Number 12. 1985 Yamaha Maxim X700, $1,500, Brighton, Colorado. This 1985 Yamaha Maxim X700 has been turned into a bobber-style project, offering a distinctive look with updated wiring for new lighting components. The bike retains its original character while incorporating custom touches, and it also includes stock rear lighting and a cut fender that still needs to be mounted. It last ran a couple of months ago with the help of starter fluid, suggesting that a carburetor cleaning will likely bring it back to regular running condition. With a clean title and a solid platform, it presents an affordable opportunity for someone looking to complete a custom build or revive a unique vintage Yamaha. Number 13. 1989 BMW K100 RS, $3,000, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1989 BMW K100 RS represents one of BMW's most advanced motorcycles of its era, featuring fuel injection and ABS technology that was ahead of its time. With just under 27,000 miles, it remains in excellent mechanical condition and benefits from recent maintenance, including new fuel injectors, fresh fluids, and a set of brand new Metzeler tires. The bike runs strong and is ready for the road with everything functioning as it should. It also includes original BMW hard saddlebags and a cover, adding practicality for touring. Minor cosmetic imperfections are present, but overall it stands as a well-maintained and highly capable vintage sport touring machine. Number 14. 1973 Honda CB350, $2,399, Omaha, Nebraska. This 1973 Honda CB350 is a largely original example of one of Honda's most beloved lightweight twins, showing around 20,000 miles and benefiting from long-term ownership history. It starts easily, runs smoothly, and offers a dependable riding experience, reflecting Honda's reputation for reliability during this era. The bike includes its original toolkit and remains mostly stock aside from exhaust components. There are a few minor issues, such as a missing switch tab, a tricky gas cap, and an ignition switch quirk, but none prevent it from being used and enjoyed. With a clean title and strong originality, it's a great vintage rider with character. Number 15. 1971 Triumph Bonneville, $3,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1971 Triumph Bonneville is an authentic example of a classic British twin, retaining its correct components aside from a chromed frame that adds a custom touch. It has been run previously and is reported to have good compression with no smoke, indicating a solid engine foundation. The bike includes key items such as the air filters, covers, and a clean title in the seller's name, making it a complete and straightforward project or rider candidate. With its iconic status and strong fundamentals, it offers excellent value for someone looking to own and refine a true vintage Bonneville. Thanks for watching AZ Timeless Motorcycles. If you enjoy old but gold classics and rare finds like these, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more motorcycles for sale across the USA.